Hello everybody and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. My name is Roosevelt and I will be making a cocktail for you today, right? The cocktail I'm going to make is called a Bourbon Rickey, right? Gin Rickeys are what's famous. And this is not a riff of a Gin Rickey. This is actually the predecessor of a Gin Rickey, right? Back in the 1890s is when they first started making these, right? With bourbon, not gin. But gin has taken over as the most popular version of this, right? So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is make it in our glass, right? And to do that, we also got to use fresh lime, right? I have smaller lime, so you really want to use a half a lime. But because I have these smaller limes on my tree, we're going to just go ahead and do the whole lime. But you want to squeeze it first and get it over the ice. Kind of like how you make a proper Cuba Libre, which is the first video I made, I believe. Anyway, some fresh lime juice in a glass. And then you want to go with an ounce and a half, of bourbon. Any kind of bourbon will work. I like this Jefferson's tropical stuff. It's really good. And then a proper Rickey, you want to top it off with some sparkling water or club soda, but I'm using sparkling water. Give it a nice little swirl. And there you have it, a Bourbon Rickey. All right, let's see how refreshing this is. I like it. This is one of those drinks, right? As you're barbecuing, you sit back and have a few of these, right? So that you don't get like too messed up. So you don't mess the meat up, right? Because you don't want to have messed up meat, right? Anyway, I like it. It's great. Do not forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time, cheers.